Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you UGC NET exam CSPYQ. This question has asked in December 2012. This is the question number 34. What is the result of the following expression? 1 and 2 plus 3 and 4. So first this one, 1 and 2. 1 को decimal में लिखिए. तो 1 को decimal में कैसे लिखेंगे? 2's power 0, that means 1. 2's power 1, this is 2. And 2's power 2, this is 4. है ना? यही है. तो 1 को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए क्या लिखना पड़ेगा हमको? 0 0 1. 2 को लिखने के 1 रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज 0 0 1. 2's रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिस इज 0 1 0. 3 2 plus 1 3. 4 direct 1 0 0. Now 1 and 2 and operator has given. So 1 and 2. So 1 place is right. 0 0 1 and 2 place is right. 0 1 0 and it 1 and 2, that means just multiply 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 0. This is 1 and 2 represented. 1 and 2 का आंसर क्या आया? 1 and 2. This is 0 0 0. Then plus is given. Now 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 0 1 1. 4 has given 1 0 0 and it 3 and 4. 1 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 0 and 1 and 0 0. Here is also come 0 0 0. 3 and 4. Okay. So 0 plus 0 क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा. So the correct answer has given in the option number A. Thank you very much for watching this video.